Hi YouTubers, this is Zero Amps and today I'm going to take a look what's inside this battery. These 4 batteries are nickel-cadmium batteries. I got them from my father-in-law, and in the European Union you don't buy them anymore because they were banned because of the toxicity. So this is my last chance to take them apart. Let's take a look at details. This battery is made by HAMA. The nominal voltage is 1.2 volts, which is normal for rechargeable batteries, and the nominal capacity is 700 milliamp hours, which is quite low. If I compare this battery to other types, it's at the bottom of the table. This battery is also famous for its memory effect. If someone is talking about the battery memory effect, it's this battery. And now I'm going to check batteries. The first one looks alright. It's just discharged. The second one looks also alright, but discharged. What about the third one? Okay, this one looks used up. This one looks also used up. For the first two, I'm going to measure capacity. I'm going to do that with my intelligent charger. And after testing, it looks like this. The first one has just 128 milliamp hours, which is far from 700 milliamp hours. The second one is quite alright, but I'll dispose all of them. And now let's move to the most interesting part of this video. Let's take them apart. After using some brute force, I got into it. It looks like this. The cathode is connected inside the battery to this metal plate, and this metal case is the anode of the battery. In batteries you can usually find a cathode, an anode, and a separator, and inside the separator there is an electrolyte. In battle cells batteries you can find these 3 components put in layers like this. In disposable batteries you can find those 3 layers placed like this, and in modern batteries those 3 layers are wrapped like this. Let's check how it is in our nickel-cadmium battery, and it's the third case. The layers are wrapped in a roll, so let's unroll it to see all those 3 layers separately. It's quite difficult because they are stick to each other. Okay, I've made it, and here it is. This black layer could be nickel oxide, which is the cathode, and this paper in the middle is a separator, and this layer could be cadmium, which is the anode. And that's actually all I have about this battery. If you have any questions, please ask me in comments. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.